Hello students, how are you? This video I am recording on Feb 1st 2024 in the evening. Budget day Nifty 50 projected chart was being posted 4 days ago. This is the chart and here is the link which was being provided. The real chart of Feb 1st 2024 is the mirror image of the projected chart. This is the one. This is the real chart. Nifty formed the bottom dot on the low of the projected chart. And very next day, what happened, we all know. Nifty 50 shoot up like anything very next day. But on Feb 1st, it was moving on the projected roadmap only. As the market closed for the day, next candle at Gift Nifty or the next day opening, within 1 minute completed the chart, dot on dot. This is not the first time I have attempted this forecast in year 2023. The link is being provided. Just check that video. Just check the accuracy. And in year 2022 also I published projected chart of budget day well in advance with 100% accuracy. And in year 2022 and year 2023, I worked very hard and tried to capture the movement of each hour. There are about 6 hours and 15 minutes in a day. In year 22 and year 23, I draw the chart of each and every hour. I formed the candles and candles matched to the real chart. The projected candles matched the real chart. Dot on dot, dot on dot. This time I just draw. I didn't had the time to just work on the hourly chart. So I formed a trend line, a roadmap, and that also worked very well. And I am thankful to the God what I tried to guess that proved or hold good. This time I posted weekly chart from Monday to Thursday also in advance. This is the chart and this is the real chart. This is the real chart. Just see the soul of both the charts is the same. As I draw the lines, price just try to follow the same. And this all is because of the God's grace. By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. In year 2021, when Paytm was trading near 1,800 or so, I wrote very loudly, very boldly that don't subscribe this IPO. I gave the levels also: 740, 850, 977, 1100 and 1243 when it was trading at 1800 or so. Now these levels, after even 3 years, 740, 850 and 977 worked as a great powerful resistance. At the same time, there was another IPO which was Make My Trip. I boldly asked to subscribe that, which is trading 5 times of the listing point. This company offered bonus and split, I think either of 2 or both. So when we are subscribing any IPO, we should have a long-term view in our mind, not just for the purpose of listing we go and subscribe the IPO. If the company is good, we will be beneficiary at the time of listing as well as in the long term. And in IPO we can find multi-baggers also. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading and happy investing to all my students. I have written another powerful date after 18th of January, that is 6th of Feb. What my view is about this date is that as the market is already very volatile, this aggression is going to increase. Volatility should increase. Disclaimer, this may or may not happen, but probability is very high that volatility is going to increase from here onward.